welcome to another update video here on our channel. And as promised from Michael and myself, that I will take cover of the NASDAQ updates from now on. And due to some little technical issues, we are not able at the moment to manage the memberships. So this is why we are going to providing these updates today and possibly tomorrow as well for the community for free. Okay. Yes, I'm on the weekly chart right now here on the NASDAQ future. And what, or in my opinion, is where we are, just to get an overview, is where we are right now. So in my opinion, we are finishing up at the moment intermediate fifth wave to the upside, okay? Which then should finish up the primary degree third wave. So I'm going to zoom in later here. You're going to see what I mean and what I'm talking about. And at the moment, my opinion is that we are in the late stages of an ending diagonal. This is this part to the upside in the intermediate fifth wave. Okay, you can see the labels here. And I'm going to zoom in here, as I said before, yes. So, and in this intermediate fifth wave here, we already completed waves 1, 2, and 3. Possibly wave 4, but as I said before, I'm going to zoom in here because I think this is at the moment a little bit more interesting due to than talking about the bigger degrees or the higher degrees, because possibly I have also to change. Let me just go back so you can see this. So possibly I have to also label or put the intermediate third wave on top here, okay? So I'm not at the moment really confident in doing this, but I will do that regarding the pullback we get later, okay? So at the moment I'm leaving it like this, but it could be that I'm going to have to change it over. At the moment, no reason for me to do this, but as I said, possibility is there. Okay, I'm going to go on the 1 hour time frame, or let me go on the 4 hour time frame so we can start over a little bit better here. So 8 hour better, so you can see what I mean. So intermediate fourth wave is bottomed here in my view, okay? And from then on, this was the date, it was the 14th of October 22, where we started this move up. And in my view, it's an ending diagonal, as I said before, okay? Because every move I see here is typically in 3 waves, okay? The first minor degree here is also ABC. Then we get an WXY pattern. We have the next ABC up for wave 3. We got another ABC pullback and so on, okay? And as I said before, we finished at the moment waves 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is going to get interesting here, okay? But I'm going to zoom in later here, so you're going to see what I'm talking about. Let me just remove this. And at the moment, I think that also the fifth wave here, as I said before, of course, needs to be an ABC structure, but it's expanding a lot here inside, okay? So let me jump in, okay? So here we have, at the moment, we are talking about the minor degree fifth wave up, okay? So this is this part which I'm talking about, okay? And we did already also complete here waves 1, 2, 3, and possibly 4, because it could be that this 4 is either not done or still it's done, and we're gonna rally up in the next ABC fashion. But I'm gonna zoom in here again. So at the moment, what I think is, let me just remove these labels here. So Picasso art. So yes, okay. Let's start again. Okay, so we are in this last stages at the moment, okay, where also I have labeled the cycle top, and I'm going to talk not about degrees here anymore, because it could still expand a little bit. And I think that what we have definitely finished in this fifth wave up is wave 1, 2, and 3, okay? And at the moment, I am very, very interested in how this is going to develop here. So we have from this third wave here in white a possible A, B, C structure completed, okay? That's why I have labeled also the 4 at the moment here. But I cannot really tell you at the moment that this wave 4 is really done here, okay? So it could be that we are developing here a more complex fourth wave in yellow, okay? This yellow is, in my view, so when I'm doing it, the yellow color tell me or will tell you that it's an alternate possibility on the chart, okay? So I have normally labeled everything in white and alternative or the alternate possibilities here are labeled in yellow, okay? So you can see this. Because I could count a possible ABC down, as I said before, okay, that the wave 4 bottom, that the wave 4 low is here from the 2nd of January with a possibility of a reversal here, okay? So I want to see now a 5-wave move up, okay? But for now, I can only tell you that I see clear 3-wave move up, okay? I want to see it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, okay? And this then would tell me that we have our wave A, then we get an ABC for wave B, and the rally in wave C to finish our 5-wave degrees here, okay? Which I was talking before. So at the moment, as I said before, I can only see 3-wave move up. So that possibly is a counter trend rally to this move, okay? That would suggest wave B is going on, okay? So we have our wave A finished here. We have the wave 4 labeled, and possibly this wave 4 has to go over here, okay? Because we reached, okay, we reached the 38.2, dipped a little bit below it, but normally I want to see a healthy pullback, minimally hit the 50%, okay, which would be 20,678. And I've not seen that at the moment, so the possibility is still existing that we have only a B wave counter trend rally here, followed by an impulse to the downside, okay? This is still possible, and therefore I have labeled, or I don't have labeled, I have put up the Fibonacci retracement levels here of this correction down, okay? So at the moment we hit and got rejected at the 61.8 Fib retracement level at 21,899.25 for a possibility that the top is in here, okay? And then I would consider this being a B wave top. Okay, so then we could say one ABC, something kind of an ABC counter trend rally. But as I said before, if we get this next push to the upside here, possibly going back up to 22,144 to the 78.6 retracement level, this will increase the possibility here to the upside, okay, that we're moving higher. But also please understand, after we have 5 waves down up, we get an A, B, C structure down in wave B of 5, okay? So because remember, this diagonal pattern always suggests that every subwave is an ABC structure, okay? And due to this 5-3-5 move up, it can only be in any diagonal here, okay? So the possibility of this being the low here, and this can be counted as wave 4, is there, okay? But I need one more high in this move. Cool. Afterwards, we should hold a higher low in wave B and then rally off from here, okay? This would be my preferred scenario because I still think that the chart looks much better with one more high, okay? Either or, it could be done here, to be honest, but I'm still missing one more high, and this should bring us up to 23,281. Okay, from here on, I think that the cycle top for now is in place. It's in play. And I think we're going to get a relatively strong decline to the downside. So in either primary wave 4 or intermediate wave 4. Okay, this is the topic I was talking about earlier, that I'm not so confident at the moment if we are finishing the intermediate wave 5 or the primary wave 5, okay, primary wave 3. So this is at the moment, I'm really not so confident right now, but this is at the moment not important. I think to have a good overview of the short-term movement of the market is a good signal, or it's a good thing to have here. Okay, so I also put up this green line here, and this is the 78.6. Okay, whenever we're going to touch this one, the possibilities really increase for one more high in an A, B, C structure. Okay, at the moment I have the 3 waves up. I want to see one more high and then a 3-wave move pullback, and just adjusting here the Fibonacci levels from this one more high. I'm going to assume that we're going to hit the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is up here at 22,144. I want to see a healthy B wave, and this should come to an end, or this should stop between 21,474 and 21,438. So these are the levels I'm going to watch. And let me just remove it. Sorry guys, this is the first video I'm going to do here alone without Michael, so I just need to find a little bit my way here. If we consider now, okay, this is also the part. So either we're going to rally up in a wave A, come back down in a wave B, and then rally off in a C. This is the first scenario. Or we did a wave A down, a wave B up, and still following in the wave C. Okay, these are the two scenarios in my view at the moment. And I think if we don't get this 5th wave up, the possibility is very high that we're going to take the swing low here, okay, at 20,990. And then I would say we're going to really test the 50% retracement level, which is 20,678, okay? So the two possibilities exist. Either the wave 4 is in, we get 5 waves up, hold a higher low, and rally off in a wave 5, in a wave C of 5, or we came down in a wave A, coming up in a wave B counter trend rally, and then see another C wave down to the 50%. Okay, so either or, everything is now on the table, and we really have to see if we get this final 5th wave up. Okay, and this is in my view very, very important. I have put a Fibonacci retracement level in here, okay, for this being a 4th wave pullback. We hit the minimum requirements for a wave, no, not the minimum requirements, but we hit the 38.2 retracement of the 3rd wave, which is a common target for a wave 4 pullback. If this is holding and we're moving up in a 5-wave impulsive structure, then I would say, okay, this is wave A, then we're going to get a wave B and rally up in the C wave. Okay, so this is at the moment my view of the chart and my analysis here. And if we break down and we perform, or we possibly building here on the first 5 waves down, okay, then we could be sure that this C wave down is unfolding. Okay, and then we're going to take this 99.3 level here, 20,999.3 to the downside, and test, as I said, the 20,677 level. Okay, at the moment these two possibilities are on the table. And for the last, what I want to talk about is, and you see also I've put some green arrows up here and the red arrow. So that means whenever we are crossing the 78.6 retracement, possibilities very, very shift to the upside, okay, that we're going to get this final move to the upside. The crossing the red line here should say that we come down to the 50% and put the wave 4 here instead of here, okay? What else can I say? Yeah, what else can I say? I want to say that the target for this being, or coming to an end, for me is the 168 extension level, and we did not reach that at the moment. And it's 23,288. So this would be, at least here in this area, my top, being at the moment called in progress, okay? And then expecting, I'm going to put that on the chart again. And then I do expect a larger pullback in an ABC structure to the downside, okay? Either an intermediate wave 4 or primary wave 4. I'm not so, I really don't have, I need to really take a look at this again, because I think this 5th wave is a little bit too long for being still part of the intermediate 3rd wave, okay? That's why I have labeled it as intermediate wave 5 and primary wave 3 top here. But this pullback will tell us a little bit more. And the next time, the next time I will also take a look at the 15-minute chart. But at the moment, I think the most relevant informations here have been that either the low is in here or the low is followed after C wave down. Okay, so these are the two possibilities. And as I said, watch clearly. If you get these 5 waves up, then the possibility is very high that we're going to call this wave A, followed by an A, B, C structure for wave B, and the next impulse up in wave C. Okay, so this is at the moment my update for today. I hope you liked the update, and trust me, maybe the next video, I hope I'm not so nervous like today, but it's, as I said, the first video I'm doing alone here. And yeah, feel free to reach out to me or to Michael if you have any questions, also regarding our coaching and coaching/teaching sessions we offer, and also our Discord community. You can check out the video from the 30th of December, sorry, and no, 23rd of December, excuse me, 23rd of December. There we explain a little bit more about the YouTube memberships and also our teaching and coaching. If you want to learn something about the Elliott wave we are using for our technical analysis, just let me know. Feel free to reach out to us. And if you like the video, yeah, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. If I see something strange happening here until tomorrow, yeah, I just want to say I'm going to give the updates on our Discord server, but at the moment you are not there, but it will change hopefully soon so that you get these updates, because I'm going to make for the NASDAQ minimally 3 to 4 updates a day over the date period on the Discord server. And also when I see something like we're breaking resistance, we're breaking support, I'm going to make an update video. You can have access to that on the Discord server directly. And yeah, a lot of benefits being part of the community with us. And also we're going to provide some member live streams in the future where we do like a Q&A. And this is like where you can ask your questions for trading, how you want to, or what can we tell you about your trading style? How can we help you making your trading style more profitable? How you can learn trading, how you can use Elliott wave, how you can use Fibonacci. There are so many things we can provide for you. At the moment, I leave it like this because I start talking too much, as I just recognized. Sorry for that. Exactly. This is what I want to present. Okay, this is my update for the NASDAQ for today, January the 6th. And tomorrow there will be another update in the evening. And after that, we are hopefully done with changing YouTube to the memberships. And if you like our work, then be part of our membership and enjoy all the benefits we offer for you. Okay? Have a great night. Have a great evening, depending on where you are. Here it's nearly 11 p.m. So bedtime, and I wish you good luck. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye. Ciao. Thank you. Bye-bye.